He finally got what he wanted. ChudTheBuilder, charged for attempted murder, aggravated assault, facing 25 years. How do y'all feel about him now?
Courthouse. Deputies say Dalton Eatherly, better known as social media as ChudTheBuilder, was involved in a fight leading to gunfire. Both men were hospitalized.
25
Deputies
years.
just arrested Eatherly, charging him with attempted murder, aggravated assault, and reckless endangerment with a deadly weapon. Tonight, he's being held in the Montgomery County.
I don't think y'all Chud fans view that this Chud dude was getting pegged by black women. Instead of calling him ChudTheBuilder, you should be calling him Peg the Builder. This one right here, watch it break it down to you.
Well, he's not lying. I already told y'all we used to smoke. He used to sell me weed. And we did raw dog. A lot. Me, him, and my ex-wife. I am a professional pegger. It is no secret that I perform prostate massages, if you will, for men. I've been doing it for a very long time now. Most of my clientele is white men. We sign NDA agreements.